Alright, 5th graders, we're going to keep going with our multiplying fractions, only today it's non-unit fractions by non-unit fractions. You'll see what that means in just a moment. So check out our first problem, 2/3 of 3/4, which is another way of saying 2/3 multiplied by 3/4. So how is this different from all the problems we did yesterday? Well, all the problems we did yesterday had a non-unit fraction and a unit fraction. Remember, a unit fraction is a fraction with a 1 in the numerator. These don't have any unit fractions. So think back to some of what we learned yesterday. We know that 1/3 of 3/4 would be 1/4. Just like 1/3 of 3 books is 1 book and 1/3 of 3 llamas is 1 llama. So if 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/4, what's 2/3 of 3/4? 2/4, right? If 1/3 is going to be 1/4, then it makes sense that 2/3 would be 2/4. Now, name 2/4 using halves. You should be able to tell me that that is 1/2. So, 2/3 of 3/4 is 1/2. Now draw a model to show the product and to check our thinking. So let's see. 2/3 of 3/4. So let's see, we're going to start with some fourths. And we're going to color them in. How many are we going to color in? We're going to color in 3 of them. Because we're starting with 3/4, and then we got 2/3. So we'll make it into some thirds. So what new unit did we make? How many of these? There, you should be saying, oh, we made some 12ths. So let's see, let's shade in some thirds. How many are we going to shade in? 2 of them. So let's see, double shaded, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12ths. Which would reduce down to 1/2. Go ahead and write the number sentence and show me. And remember, we always simplify if we can. Once you've got my smelly star on that nice sentence, you may move on to the next part of this video. Alright, so let's check out 2/3 times 2/3. We're going to model first, and then we're going to write out a multiplication sentence. So, 2/3 times some more thirds. How many are we going to shade? 2 of them. And how many do we have double shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 9. So we have 4/9. So let's see, 2/3 times 2/3 equals 4/9. Let's just double check and multiply across. 2 times 2, yep, that's 4. 3 times 3, yep, that's 9. We must be correct. So write out, what pattern do we see with the numerators and denominators? And I'll give you a hint. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So explain that pattern to me right here, and come get a smelly star.